Scientists with new study have uncovered the process of popping sound that originates from knuckle cracking. There are more than 2 or 3 hypotheses on what really makes the particular popping sound that accompanies knuckle breaking from 1939. Another examination by a couple from Stanford University in California and the École Polytechnique in France expands on the 1971 hypothesis. The hypothesis expresses that the sound originates from the falling of rises inside the synovial liquid that encases and secures the joints. From the scientific model and by utilizing computer model metacarpophalangeal joint MPJ, researchers have identified as popping sound generated by collapsing the bubbled in fluid. But the popping sound decreases up to 83 decibels where surrounded by the flesh and muscle. Recently, the declaration of the new study explains that researchers have not considered knuckle crackers are harming or helping their joint health. But there are past studies lead to create controversy and contradict one and the other. In 2015, 17 women and 23 men were subjected to audio and visual examinations of their knuckles as they attempted to crack them and were tested for grip strength, laxity, and range of motion for each MPJ both before and after examinations. Analysts found no prompt incapacities, swelling, or torment. No quick contrasts in laxity and hold quality among knuckle saltines and non-knuckle wafers. Indeed, split knuckles displayed an expanded scope of movement contrasted with the knuckles not broken. The crack takes only 300 milliseconds and not easily visualized. Researchers took geometric representations of the joint movements during a cracking session and turned them into mathematical equations. The crack takes only 300 milliseconds and not easily visualized. The software model demonstrated that pressure shifts in the joint fluid increase pressure on the gas bubbles. However, the gas bubbles don't really perforate, they experience a partial collapse but remain suspended in the joint. Additionally, a few examinations have exposed the myth connecting knuckle splitting and expanded joint inflammation dangers. The recent report says knuckle splitting not connected with joint pain or some other bone illness. In any case, that still doesn't imply that individuals can split their knuckles away. In light of the fact that different analysts additionally report the training's negative impacts, as opposed to the discoveries of the 2015 investigation. A few examinations found that ceaseless knuckle crackers will probably encounter lessened hold quality, debilitated hand bones, and improved probability of swollen hands. Further, there have been no less than 2 reports of wounds because of endeavoring to split knuckles.